Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you an institution page on the Xapo. You can see that it will say Adam's email and company name, and then create institution. Why Xapo? Because it is secure and managed and organized. How it works: create unlimited, organize your team, set permission levels. You can also a footer. Here is about Xapo, investors and team. Here is the logos that support Xapo. And over here it says what others are saying. You can see that Venture B and Wall Street Journal has something. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can visit the WizCode website for more info. There are over 150 pages that you can watch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the institution Xapo.